Guys, in this video we are going to learn how to add all-in-one chat on your Wix website. So first of all, you will have to come on this website called elfsight.com. Then go to widgets. After that, go in the sections of chat and click on all-in-one chat. Now go to this button called create widget. After that, as you can see, the templates are here and you can also choose your template however you like. After choosing your template, click on continue with this template. And as you can see here, you can also customize your template. After doing that, click on add to website. Now you just have to sign up your elfsight account. After signing up, you will come on this page and click on save. And now click on this button and click on this code to copy it. After, come on to your editor.wix.com and click on add elements. After that, click on embed code and then embed HTML. Go for embed code and then go for embed HTML. And now paste the code here and click on update. As you can see guys, my all-in-one chat is here on my website and I can put it anywhere. So if you find this video interesting and helpful to yourself, then please subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.